Good morning, guys. This morning wishes to you is all the way from Imphal. Bye bye Imphal. Beautiful Kangla Fort. Guys, exactly 1 hour ago I started and I have crossed Kangpokpi main town. Wow, it's chill. Guys, just crossed Mount Gate and then the road condition already started. So this is Nagaland check gate Kusama. Good morning Kohima. It's bright. So this is a stiff downhill. Too much gear too. Gear 2 and then brake. Release the clutch. So there is engine braking at the same time manual brakes. Took some water break about 15 minutes in order to cool down the bike also, and the view is so beautiful. We have a very good patch of tarmac. It's 10:59 in the morning and today is Monday. Time to put petrol. Full car DJ. Flying, all of them are flying to see the Royal Enfield riders. It must be a planned trip. Guys, there's one rider here. Let me just follow him a bit. Welcome to Guwahati. Guys, thank you for watching this channel, especially this trip. So guys, bye bye.